Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a big risk, but also a calculated one. We are depositing 2 Ethereum into Immutable X. We are waiting for that transfer to take place. And once that happens, guys, we are going to go all in on this land loot project that has just kind of dropped here on Immutable X. So here's my thought process here, guys. I've been telling you my thesis. I've been telling you my whole plan here. I told you guys that for 2 to 3 months I expect Immutable X to just pop off and grow at a tremendous rate. A lot of people are going to continue to come over here, which means money is going to continue pouring into here. And so here we have land loot all of a sudden just pops up. Now it's super under the radar, super low key, and it has like 300, 400 followers on Twitter right now. Okay, now Astro Bros started off with 900 followers, guys, and it's still like 6x. Okay, we were minting these for 0.06 Ethereum, guys, and we went all the way up to 0.4. So that was about a 7x return on a project that started with just 900 followers. This project only has about 300 followers, and it's super under the radar. Mint just started about 40 minutes ago. I just saw this, and guys, I'm jumping on it. Why? Because my thesis remains the same. Money will continue pouring in here. Popularity will rise. People will come in here, and these early projects are going to do extremely well. So based on that thesis, I am willing to risk 2 Ethereum. That's right, 2 Ethereum I'm willing to go in with and just buy as many as I possibly can here for 2 Ethereum, guys. And my plan is, okay, first off, I think these look a lot better than the Astro Bros. And two, I think this is something that people can get behind. Look at these, right? And so that's my plan there. And I think that, hey, if Astro Bros, and I'm sorry, guys, if you're an Astro Bro owner, look, I'm an Astro Bro owner as well, right? And I think they're a little funny, they're a little goofy, but these look pretty bad, to be honest, guys. Let's be real here. Those look pretty bad. And I think these look a lot better. So if Astro Bros could get up to 0.4 Ethereum floor, I see no reason why these shouldn't be able to get to a 0.4 Ethereum floor, being an early project here on Immutable X, being that it's a stealth drop that really nobody knows about it yet. Okay, the floor is right here. The only way that we lose money on this is if there isn't a demand for these over 10,000. So I actually don't know how many of these are there. Okay, but let's say it's your generic 10,000 profile picture collection. Okay, the only way we lose money here is if less than 10,000 people want it at some point. Okay, it's not going to go below the starting price if there is a higher demand than there is the amount here. Okay, so in my opinion, it's kind of high risk just because it only has 300 followers right now. I mean, nobody really knows about this yet, okay? But that's where explosive gains are made, is when you bet on things when nobody knows about them. And so that's why we're waiting for this Ethereum transfer to take place so we can go in here. And that's going to be the plan, guys. So waiting for that transaction to come in. And once that happens, guys, I'm going to go ahead and, as you guys would say, ape into this and get a bunch. So that's the plan here. So guys, you can see it says they've sold out the mint here, which was 10,000. And look at their following. Only 400 followers. And just 53 minutes ago, they said to mint here, okay? So we missed the mint, and guess what? These were free, okay? These were actually free to mint. So I'm really interested to know, man, how many were these guys allowed to mint? Because let's be real here. I don't think anyone really knew about this project, and somehow it's already sold out, right? So if nobody knew about it, yet they're already sold out, then whoever made this probably minted a shit ton of it, okay? So that's not the best thing, but at the same time, okay, I mean, how much downside do you really have here? Okay, I'll lose 2 Ethereum, but my thesis overall is the most important part, which is that we believe that Immutable is going to do extremely well. And look at the way they're advertising themselves or marketing themselves. They say, first totally free graphical NFT project on Immutable. Multi-layer NFT project, meaning that it's both on OpenSea and it's on Immutable. So, look, I don't think that really means that much. I don't think it's that important, but I mean, it is what it is. People get very excited over the littlest things, and you give someone a reason to jump in, they'll do it. So, look, I've got my own reasons, and man, congratulations to anyone who got in on this secret mint, this little stealth drop here, because look, they are free, and now those people who minted are already up, you know, almost 1/10 of Ethereum just like that on however many they were able to get. I mean, imagine, some people might have been able to get 100. I really don't know because I wasn't there, but sold out, and you know, you really not going to expect the price to go too much lower here. But yeah, that's our risk. That's what we're willing to do here, and that's what we're going to take. All right, so guys, we've got our 2 Ethereum. We're going to go and jump right in and just get a bunch of these right here. So let's go and get them. 0.07, we'll buy it right now. There's no gas, remember, guys? So we might be able to get 20 to 30 of these, and look, man, it's a very good chance that this project is going to grow. No, someone already got it. You see that? I believe that's why the transaction fails, is because that means someone probably got it. So let's go right here. Try to get this. Nope. Or is it going to let us? Let's see. So we'll just do this live here together, guys, and let's see how many we can get, hopefully. I think this one should be done. Nope, man, come on. All right, guys. Look at these, going for 0.074. That's no fun, man. We're here, we're ready. I think these people are sniping the floor, right? So I think that's what's happening, is we're competing with everyone else. You have denied an action coming from... I didn't deny it, guys. I pressed confirm, right? Am I crazy, or did I definitely press yes, confirm, right? Confirm. Okay, so it's not us. It's not our fault. It's the people are taking it before us. So that's already good, though. You know, people are already willing to buy it. So let's just go to the second row. Fuck it. We'll get it for 0.08. No, not for sale. Okay, so that means, look, that's really good. That means people are already here buying, even despite the stealth drop, despite the little amount of people. So that's what you want to see, guys. So 0.086, I'll take that. You know, because I think, look, there's no reason this shouldn't get to 0.4 as long as our thesis remains correct, as long as popularity continues to rise, as long as people continue to pour into here. And so, come on, give us our first one. We went to, like, what, the second or third row? Boom. Okay, so we got one now. Can we see what he looks like yet? Or are we going to have to wait? 3543 is the first one. Okay, anyways, we'll just keep going. Like, we don't even know what we're buying, guys. But remember, we're making a bet here. Okay? I'll refresh real quickly. And so this is good because we're pretty much getting in on the ground floor, guys. I really... Yeah, it's a big risk because, you know, this could just not sell out to the point, or no, the mint has sold out, right? But those could have been the insiders who already knew about this before. So, got that guy. And we're just going to go on a shopping spree here with 2 Ethereum, guys. That's what I'm willing to put into this. And if that 4X's, guys, I mean, you're sitting at 8 Ethereum, just like that. Let's take this pink girl. So just going on a shopping spree here, guys. I'll probably fast forward this process, and you guys will see it all. All right, so guys, we have just spent 1.95 Ethereum to get those. So some of these are showing up, but man, let's see how many we got. We got 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so we got 21. I'm actually thinking about adding another 2 Ethereum. I like what I'm seeing here right now, and I just think that this is going to be a solid bet, or it's got a very good chance of being a solid bet. Let's check the followers, okay? So they gained 20 followers while we just minted. So look, 20 followers out of 400, you know, that's a solid, what, 5% gain, 10% gain in the last... what is that, 20 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes? So they're growing, guys, at 5 to 10% every 20 or 15 minutes right now. So that's a good growth rate, okay? So, yeah, I'm probably going to deposit another 2 Ethereum here. So, yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do, guys. I like this bet. I think it's worth the risk. And, okay, so, guys, instead of depositing 2 Ethereum, I went ahead and deposited another 0.95 to get us up to 1. And so we're going to go ahead and get the rest right here. So let's do it. Alright, so guys, that is it. We're risking about 3 Ethereum, which is around $10,000 to $11,000 into this trade. And the reason we'd risk $10,000 on these pictures is because we think we can make 40 to 50,000 on them if they just 4x, okay? So that's the plan here, guys. Honestly, it's high risk in the sense that, okay, as of now, nobody knows about it, okay? But we have to determine what are the probabilities that people are going to find out about it. What are the probabilities that people are going to actually see it? And what are the probabilities that people or that money is going to continue to flow into Immutable X? This is now the third solid project, I guess you would say, from a profile picture collection standpoint. We've got Moody Crows and we've got Astro Bros. But let's be real here. I mean, these are pretty crappy. Sorry, guys. I mean, I have them. I have 2 left. But when I saw we got to point 0.4 in Astro Bros, I was like, damn it, I can't even believe these pieces of crap even got that high, you know? And like I said, Astro Bros, the people there are all cool and everything, but, you know, it's a funny thing. But when I saw these got to 0.4, I couldn't even believe it. I was like, are you kidding me? So, you know, I think these look a lot better, and I think these are a lot easier to get behind. And so, guys, right now, price is going to fluctuate. Price is going to do whatever the heck it wants to do, okay? We have to trust the thesis. And the reason we got into this trade is because we believe money is going to continue flowing into Immutable X, and we believe that this is better than, you know, Astro Bros. And, you know, it's the third profile picture collection here. And I think that all early projects are going to do extremely well here. The way they're branding themselves as the first free graphical NFT project, you know, that has some kind of attention or hype to it. And at the end of the day, they've got a very small amount of followers. So think about it. If the followers double, okay, do you think the price is going to have a bullish effect? I absolutely think so. Okay, let's say if the the followers quadruple, do you think there's going to be a correlation to the price? I absolutely think so. Okay, so I believe the more people get their eyes on this, well, then I think it's going to do better. You know, that's just my thesis getting into this. So you can see I've got all of them for under a tenth of Ethereum. Okay, so now let people do it. Like look at 0.1 Ethereum. Look how many people are lined up to sell it right here. Okay, typically that's a bad thing, okay? But once again, it's not that bad when you understand how early you are and you believe in your thesis, okay? So this is my bet that I'm placing here. And to be honest, look, that's only like 30 at 0.1. I mean, that's actually not that much, okay? So I think there's a lot of smart people here. Okay, that's maybe a little more than 30. But, you know, that's my thing is I'm not worried once we get to 0.1. Yeah, I expect there to be a solid wall at 0.1. Yeah, I expect it to probably be pretty hard to break through maybe. But I think if you come back in 2 days, I think this is going to do really, really well for me. But we're going to find out, guys. So that's my transparent, you know, trade I'm taking here. It's about an $11,000 trade. And right now, we're in. So that's our collection here of these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28, 31, 32. 32 of these, okay? So, yeah, guys, that's our trade here for today. I'd look into it, but also what I don't like is I wonder, people will probably say I'm pumping my bags, you know? But I'm sharing what I think is a logical bet with you. You know what I mean? If we think the followers are going to grow, if we think that the platform is going to succeed here in the next 3 months, if we think that popularity is going to rise, if we think that money is going to continue to pour into this platform, then why shouldn't these do well? And that's just my opinion, okay? But understand that whatever you do, it is still a risk. It's a huge risk still, okay? But if you believe in the thesis I've laid out in this video, and you agree with that, then it would probably make sense to be in this, right? Now, if you disagree with my thesis, if you think, no, you know what? This is too watered down. It's the third one already. It's not the first project, you know what I mean? Then that's a reason to not do this, right? I'm just sharing my thesis with you, and if I'm wrong, you will see that I'm going to lose a lot of money here. Or not a lot of money, but I'll lose the 3 Ethereum or however much I lose. So, you know, I'm telling you before whatever happens here happens. And, you know, that's the plan. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like. Make sure you subscribe. And, guys, I really want to hear your feedback. Do you agree with my thesis? And do you think that this is going to do well? If you pick one up, let me know down below. But remember, there is no guarantees. This is still a high-risk trade. But this is just my thought process and my bet that I'm placing accordingly. Okay, guys? So drop a like on this video if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not, going big into Land Loot, the third major project, I would say here, even though it's really not major yet. Okay, super small following. But anyways, guys, wrapping it up there. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye.